Come on, Trig. Right here. Come away. Trigger. So we've had a number of questions related to pets and the damage they can cause to lawns. So what we're going to look at today is what we can do to prevent that from happening, and if it does happen, what we can do to restore the lawn to its former glory. So let's take a look at our bare patches and see what we can do and see what's caused them. Now here on the lawn here I have two to look at. There's this one here. This is a bearish patch. This is quite an old damage from urine, possibly last year, and it's still in the process of recovery. As you can see, the grass is beginning to fill in. This one here is just a new brown patch, and again this is in the process of recovery because there's a bit of grass in there, but they're two different issues. One's got bare and it's not been recovered, not been filled in. The other one is just a weakened grass, needs to have something just to help it along a bit for that recovery process. So we're going to have a look at a quick repair that we can do very quickly. This is a springtime rake. What we use it for is in the bare area, just use it to lift the dead area out. Can you see how that's all pulling up? We want to get to the soil if we can, so let's just pull all this out here. And it's good to go a couple of ways, trying to get as much of the rubbish stuff out as you possibly can. As you can see, that little small area there, look at all that dead grass, and we can see that that's just ripping out some of the new stuff as well, because that want to make a clear area possible. You also want to try and loosen the top of the soil as well. So that's, we've done that one there. What we'll also do is we'll do this area here, just a small area. This is just slightly damaged, but you can see the springtime rake is pulling it all out. Okay, so those two are prepared. What we're going to do is put on a mixture of top dressing seed and a bit of fertilizer. This is something I've got in my bag here. I've got a little scoop just to scoop it on. It works around about 300 grams a square metre, so you can imagine that's quite a bit. And in this one here too. And then once we've done that, we need to put a little bit of water on it. So what you do with this, rather than putting the water direct, you want to put the water the other side and then just literally go over it. So that's just one area, that's the other area, go back again, and you might think, well, that's quite a lot of water, but you'll be surprised how quickly that will be absorbed by the seed and top dressing and the fertilizer. When Green Thumb have been and done a treatment to your lawn, with dogs and cats, we recommend that you keep them off the lawn for at least 2 hours. The reason we say 2 hours is just to allow the products to dry onto the lawn. That way the lawn will be safe for the animal to walk on and run around on. As you've probably seen through the demonstration, we've got a couple of dogs here. I do the same rule myself as I do with everybody else. Just keep them off for a couple of hours, the dogs will be fine. However, when it comes to pets such as guinea pigs, rabbits, chickens, probably even tortoises, the rule with reference to pesticide is to keep them off for 2 weeks. Now we know that's a long time, but we would advise to follow that through to keep your pets safe. So these are some of the questions we've received. We hope the answers we've given will help you, and the demonstration with reference to repairing is a good suggestion. The advice that we offer is always because we love our pets. As you can see, I've got 2 dogs and they're very friendly, and they actually are causing me a little bit of damage on the lawn, but you know, I'd rather have the dogs than the damage. But there you go, this is part and parcel of it. So Green Thumb look after lawns, but we also take care of your pets by making sure that they're not harmed by anything we do.